Let's throw them high. You got a groundbreaking here. Come on.
We'll throw on three. 1, 2, 3.
It's the groundbreaking of a 377,000 square foot warehouse facility for Quality Packaging Specialists International, QPSI. It's in the NFI at Florence Crossings Industrial Park in Florence, New Jersey. KSS Architect and Arco Design Build NE were responsible for the QPSI project. QPSI and NFI engaged the assistance of New Jersey Lieutenant Governor Kim Guadagno and the New Jersey Economic Development Team to get incentives that made the project a reality.
We bring the money to the table, quite frankly. You know, in terms of bringing and attracting businesses to New Jersey, the numbers have to work first, and then the companies need to feel welcome. So in this case, we have a program called Grow New Jersey, where tax credits were provided to enable the business to stay here. As you heard some of the owner today, Mike, say that the numbers weren't working for him, so we were able to fill that gap. The important thing, though, is that the tax credits aren't earned until the first job actually files a W-2, and only if the benefit to the community outweighs the amount of the tax credit. In other words, New Jersey gets more out of it than the company does, and that's the importance of the state of New Jersey. The second thing is we get out of their way. My job is to cut through red tape and to make sure that businesses get answers. They may not always get the answer that they want, but they get the answer, and that helps businesses have confidence in New Jersey again. So if the numbers work and we can show them that they're welcome here and they can cut through the red tape quickly by simply calling me on the phone, then these companies will stay here and grow here. And what you saw here is not only a company that's staying here and growing here, but they're bringing other companies from Philadelphia and from Florida to New Jersey, which is also a fabulous story for all of us.
Florence Township Mayor Craig Wilkie says the project is a significant economic development.
This project here broke ground for Florence Township 4 years ago as our first economic development seriously in a number of years. As I mentioned during the speech, August 2012, Subaru comes in here. It's a 500,000 square foot, beautiful new construction. Now today you're seeing the completion of the NFI Park, major employer, tax revenue, people being able to have jobs so close to town, corporate headquarters, all positives for Florence Township.
This means transcending future for QPSI. You know, one of the things that we've always prided ourselves on is staying ahead of the curve. This project allows us to stay ahead of the curve in our industry.
Jeff Brown, the president of NFI, which owns the industrial park, says the company's been working on developing the property for a very long time.
We actually started to acquire land here back in early 2000, and it took us about a 5 to 7 year period till we finally acquired this 200-acre parcel. And what we did at that point is unfortunately sit on the land for about a 5 or 6 year period because the economic crash happened, and it wasn't until 2012 that we were lucky enough to get a great client like Subaru to take a flyer on us in this park and really bring value to Florence Township.
And despite New Jersey's reputation for high taxes and high costs for businesses, Lieutenant Governor Guadagno says the state tries to work the numbers with the companies that want to locate here.
Well, we tell them the truth. We sit down, we run the numbers for them every which way but Sunday. We tell them what benefits there are to being in New Jersey. I mean, from where we're standing right now, you can get two-thirds of the population of this country, which is the most affluent population in the world. So in terms of logistics and distribution companies like the one we're groundbreaking on here today, it's a great story for them. Easy access to a modern highway, easy access to all of the regions, New York, Philadelphia and DC, and even as far south as North Carolina. So they find that attractive. We also have a very qualified workforce. And the last thing we have is a very high level of education. So families like to be here. They're very involved in their communities and they get a very good education. So we are a high tax state. No one can deny that. Property taxes are too high, but we can make it economically feasible for a company to stay here, and also we can make them feel welcome here. And if we can do that, then New Jersey ultimately will have lower taxes.
In the packaging and contract packaging space, you know, you got to keep bringing something new to the table. You got to be able to develop and refresh, if you will. And we've been able to do that over the last 25 years. With the Innovation Center, the Packaging Center of Excellence, we'll be able to develop new packages, new designs, new concepts, well into the future, and to support not only the current in-store products, but the e-commerce and the world that we're living in the future.
A building that we're building for QPSI of 377,000 will have finished out 1.7 million square feet here at the park, and we're finished here from a industrial standpoint. We still have some retail opportunities along Route 130 that we'll be looking to bring value to here. We're going to be partnering probably with Burlington Coat to see that what works for them out front, what works for us out front, and so we don't duplicate efforts, and we come out with a retail program that benefits the entire community of Florence here.
For GlobeStreet.com in Florence, New Jersey, this is Steve Lubetkin, State Broadcast News.